Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. So as you can tell from the title, I am going to be making another cake based off of cake pop. Specifically for this cake, I'm going to be basing off of the concept photos for Ateez's recent comeback fireworks. Parentheses, I'm the one. I'm just going to be basing this cake off of the first set of concept photos where they're in the clouds with all the flowers and all the pretty pastel colors, and also the creepy little animal things attached to their outfits, which I'm still wondering what's going on there. So the cake is going to be Blackberry. I'm going to make it in the way that you would make cake pops, but instead of putting it on like the little popsicle thing on the little stick, I'm just going to shape it into big giant balls and make it into the shape of a cloud, hopefully. And then afterwards, I'm going to put a little bit of cream cheese frosting over it. And then I'm going to make some vanilla marshmallow fondant to lay over the cake. Then I'm going to decorate the cake with some gum paste. So the cake is definitely going to be very different compared to the second batch of teaser photos and the actual music video itself. I'm going to wash my hands and let's go. So I need 7 ounces of Blackberry. Okay, so the recipe calls for 7 ounces, 12. That would be a little bit more than half. Then it says to blend it into a puree. And because I don't want to dirty up our food processor thingy, I'm just going to kind of mash them and hope that works. Oh, it's working. It's working. It smells good. I think this is a fitting type of cake for Ateez. Did I just say fig? I meant to say good. Because they all like purple.
Purple, purple, purple.
We're gonna put that to the side. Sugar? Sugar. Oh, sugar. Oh, honey, honey. 1/4 teaspoon. Do it over this so you don't make a mess. I'm thinking the butter should be melted slightly. Two ounces egg whites. Okay. Do I do anything with these yolks? I don't think I do. So I didn't have any actual cake flour, so I just kind of did what it said to do online and combined some regular flour with some cornstarch. I just realized I was supposed to add that in thirds along with blackberry stuff, so I kind of have it halfway mixed. So I'm going to add in some blackberries just. I just realized this only makes one layer. Oh boy. It doesn't actually say when to take it out. It just says when it's puff. It looks a little chunkier than the one that's in the video. I'm going to get started on the fondant. It smells like Easter. That's 2 tablespoons of water. Stir in the vanilla and the almond bark. Currently having some technical difficulties with this camera, which is not good because the difficulty that I'm having is with the batteries. So all my batteries besides this one are dead and they're not charging. So the tutorials actually weren't really hard to follow. It was just my gum paste kept becoming dry way too quickly, and I thought at first it was because I colored gum paste before I started molding with it, and so I didn't do that with the majority of the decorations and decided to color them afterwards, but that obviously didn't work, as you later see at the end. But yeah, I liked how the cake turned out in the end. Obviously, as a person who made it, you're kind of more critical of your own work, but I do like how it turned out. I still really never want the members of Ateez to see this though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Friday. Bye bye.